Yes, indeed. We are here at another potential flip here today, and we're gonna see what we can do about this flip, guys. Must be nice. Real estate is a special game, y'all. Let's talk about this property coming up. Welcome, everyone. It's Tonio here from Papa Home, where we talk about turning these properties into wealth by using the power of real estate. I got this new potential property here. Not too sure what I want to do. Not too sure what I want to just keep it, do something else with it, flip it. Who knows? But I want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this house here. I usually name all these houses, but I'm to the point now. I haven't decided what I want to do or give it a name yet. So at this moment, let's just walk through it. I'm gonna tell you something special about this house. It's a 4-1. It's a 4-1, which is 4 bedroom, 3 baths. Over there, they built a master bath. I mean, not bathroom. They built a master bedroom. And on this side here, you got your typical hallway bathroom with 3 bedrooms. So I'm finna walk you through this thing, tell you how I'm planning on doing this. I don't turn bedrooms into closets. I don't turn closets into bathrooms before. But I like this one here. I think this is gonna be fun. So let me show you guys what we got going on with this house, with the bathroom and also the whole entire house, and maybe later on to go over some numbers here and show you how we're gonna turn this flip into a profit. Okay, let's just walk through it. All right, coming into the door here, this is what we got. Beautiful house here. Beautiful house. Beautiful house. This is what we got here. Just a beautiful house. Let's go this way here first. We got the hallway bathroom. We got a unit. It doesn't look too bad. Just need to be a little cleaning up. We got bedroom 1. This is nothing, guys. In this neighborhood here, probably take the carpet up and paint, and run these floors throughout the whole entire house. May go back down with carpet, may go with laminated floors all throughout. In this hallway, take these floors up and paint, change that globe. You got another bedroom here. Okay, another bedroom here. Nice little beautiful bedroom here. Okay, nice bedroom. So these bedrooms just need a new ceiling fans and paint. That's it. Take this carpet up and put more floors down. This bedroom here, another one. Again, kind of dark and gloomy in this one here. A lot, they tried to do some work in here at one time before, but paint, brighten this thing up, put a better ceiling fan in here. This is simple, this is easy. Coming out, we got this hallway bathroom here. Keep all these cabinets here, take up this countertop, put another granite countertop down, quartz or butcher block, change these hardwares out, on here. Put a better mirror up here, change the light fixtures, take this out. We don't even need that. Take that out. Keep the tub, change the toilet, change that out. Take out all the tile here and put a better tile all the way up to the ceiling with another heat vent. Bingo, we out of here. So we go over here. We got the kitchen here. Kitchen, nice. Just paint these cabinets, change the hardware, put granite countertops. A lot of granite on their countertop, but it's gonna come in handy. This is a little dining area here. So side here, take these floors up, run them same floor throughout the house. Got a nice entertainment center there. Paint. Put some recessed lights up here. Brighten this up with a better ceiling fan. Paint that fireplace. Over here, what I want to do here, change it to a washroom. Probably put a little sliding door here. Put my hot water here there. Wash and dry right here. And this goes out to the back of the house here. You got a little office space off the side of this house. I mean, in the back, you got your little office space, nail room, whatever you want to change it to, you can do it. Nail room, sewing room, office space right here. Now, here's gonna be the magic of this house. They put this other bedroom inside here, and I love it. Right off of here, put another door, put right over here, your master here. Come in here, refigurate this whole entire room here. The panel is fine, just need to paint, You can tell this was the garage at one time because they got the garage set in here, but they put it all in. It looks pretty good though. Take these floors up. Got a little hump here. I guarantee you gotta do some customization here, but it has a closet here, a pretty big size closet. So that's good. But what makes this so great is this over here. This is what we're gonna turn into a master bathroom. Yeah, take that hot water heater out of here, take it over there, put a shower here, toilet here, and put my vanity up against this wall here. Beautiful, because I want to keep my mirror. I'm gonna have to take this box out here, put it to the other side, and that hot water heater looks good. Wow, this can be amazing. You're getting this house for a good price, real good price here, and I'm just ecstatic, 100% ecstatic for this property. It's a nice, beautiful property, and hey, it's all about coming here and getting this work done. Okay, guys, you can come over here to the website, click on Invest with Papa at the top of the page. This is where you will find my complete portfolio on all things real estate, from flipping houses, buying a home, sub to lease option, multifamily, whatever the case may be. Find it here. Come to the bottom of the page. You have a few options. If you want to view those properties that's been sold, click on View List of Flip Sold. Then you'll be able to get a full view of the property sold. And also, if you want to contact me, you can call or text this number here, and let's work together. Let's do deals. So, as you can see, this is what we got. We got a nice, beautiful property that I like. I mean, I love it. It's a beautiful house, and flipping a house like this here probably take about a month and a half. Especially with the guys who I do business with. We'll paint outside the house, paint that shutters. Any facial or softener out there need to be repaired will be good to go. I think the roof is okay. Out of 10, I probably get a roof maybe a 7.5, maybe an 8. So that's good enough when it comes to selling a property, and when it comes to inspections. So that's good enough. So here at the back of this house here, we got a shed, got a little play area as well, and then we got a lot of little things here, shed, play area, a lot of good little things here. So this house here is ready to go, guys, ready to go, and I'm excited. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to pick up the local magic. It's a membership site down there for all your real estate market. It's free to join. Membership site, get it. Local magic in the description. Bye-bye.